last week na me share one Shatawale and the Jupiter no more club
about 5 years ago.
No more Chile.
Yeah.
My main card you know be fan to the team ye. Whether you take it or not, I'm setting the record straight right here. Me catch you on there. Obey me onya me. Your research na dey make kind of for what you to from the tea. Nigeria ni bia ne baby a wo bia no. Opese or rise no cost the Ghana. Second example, I'm the Mabasono. When was the last time was in Nigeria ni bia feature Ghana ni bi straight away just like that? Pastor Taisi.
There be.
But Nigeria ni bia feature nipa Ghana ni unless onyum na blow blacko Jackie can promise Kwame Eugene and you need blow no musa or numbers near
copy no maba
no do how be chew because or the chewer onimsa or no the numbers ne sundada
SOMPA FM
remember say benya market ni bi wa around the world.
Yeah.
So have you asked yourself that question why they do always come no be feature artists when your songs ni bula?
Okay.
They make an go for no margin be call pan wetia obusa wo
no crepa no cre
na on sorry so no be anymore but when onyum ni bula unless the Ghana for na chase wo
because they okay sa akode any pato ranking dey no case in buy no
exactly
and a mastercraft
my example
ebe feature sa akode mo amoye finally
what you say
that time flavor so be feature sa akode ma amoye
from TT VIP Two Face mu nyina be fast rise.
Oh yeah.
Burna Boy ebi ankofo na be say be kanokre Burna Boy was in Ghana. Shatawale was taking him around
omoye shaba
ena onya enyina so no bra ade ba akoso ne say we should know how to use our craft very well. Shaba.
Okay.
Very, very well. When you say Nigeria found your mom who's had no. Nigeria over 300 million. Yes, 34.
Yeah.
But and then me say can record ni bim. Me my Nigeria for promotion countless.
Okay.
Nigeria upon mo number no. Oguji tum say still when their songs are hitting Ghana, it is blown everywhere.
Yeah.
It's in Nigeria be Ghana 300 million at no about Ghana be promotion.
For that 34 no kwa.
For 34 no kwa. Have you asked yourself the reason why? And Nigerian artists only net nasia. Ebia na unya kwa ni binti. But Nigerian artists nasia, they will tell you perfectly, boy, Crawford no wini madie ni ye. But just that they have investors. Obi me to the video album.
There be. Yeah.
And Ghana for no wini madie ni yo. Kwame Eugene be bo last me be bo. How many artists in Nigeria
there be?
You won't get it. Nigeria, most of the female artists we write for them to sing.
Yeah.
But if you ever try
Jackie Betro. Yeah.
So the Ghanaian artists are very talented. But how are Sikani Nimne investors in Nimne how Yensi Nyusu craft and brand ni Nintino. Nigeria, you know, Obi Rest will also no the call.
Yeah.
Now the last time I met say I'm a piano ya zonto. And when the precautions can I'm a piano. And it's true. Or make good use of the one or tap into it.
Does it mean say no? I say in Suadia and I said because they are zonto aba a bluff for baby. Yentimi and any new version of Azonto Amba and a jai. But right now Zamallet is saying say I'm a piano is another form and as a version of Azonto.
Yeah.
Now engineers know what were they doing? Or went me and fuse anything new.
Unim. Your problem you say. Said in here kakusi Beverly de Yusiano. Pentem contempt dorso.
Okay.
Into Easter say at the end a big claim a ownino. Afrobeat by one and anymore who was speaking Afrobeat around the world. Calvin Boy.
Yeah.
But then open top Afrobeat artists, musicians
Nigeria for Nafa.
Unim adiene ba industry players team no enyina be sumni ayade na omu ko sumni kra no cinema ho na ekoboa.
Yeah.
The odi adien obi in physical influence aban na also discuss ade ma ade no koso na eniwo. Record label do say na Ghana ha e well established.
There be.
Oka success you no ane ho.
Yeah.
And success to won't mean shada kan be because an artist of his own and on one I want record label.
Go more yes say o sign o munyina no wantumi anhada anya ibia.
Record label do say na why successful. Into adien ba because of sa ne ma ne hini ni eyi na ye nyina so maduane nyina ye no nti ba na asa agiegu.
Yeah.
But we call Nigeria na bro. Yet me the Toby single song we say Nigeria David otimi said that koye promotion in America ne ye born nyom kwa ne da. Where are you going to get that money to do that?
No.
So investors anyhow. Ena aban no be shim no so omwa. Ena okoboa Texas ne blacku obe deviate akoje Empire Sika.
SOMPA FM.
Na akoye bibi ho. Enti do this ke be shim no. Doctor this ke be shim a onisem this ke ko she school fees.
Agree do baby a.
Ansha obedwane agya me sika akam.
Enti o se me hwe me.
Sa no be nyina hye. Enti omumwa. Enti artist na be na de kakra. Sa akode brage odi brage. Sa akode be brage de bia support me 100%. Single handedly rapper.
SOMPA FM.
The whole world ye boni di obia without a record label.
Enye brofo rapping so.
Sa Benna Boy, they are doing well, they are doing good, 2 billion views because they are under a big record label. A record label, being under a record label, no, unya plugs, unya links, unya push. So they are doing amazing. Benna Boy, I had there.
Yeah.
But yes, we are going home. But for we to get there, no, it will take so many years.
Okay.
For the artists in Ghana to come together, the way you know, artists be he will sit you down and talk to you about split sheet, about the guitar stores, about beat more do international market, you know. And you be and blow Ghana.
Yeah, but blow outside.
But outside streams, the cat they blow uniano.
Yeah.
What you see? So we should work on all of that. Na yen sia de ye na yeso yentimi nkoye nim. Ye nya se de bia na so yeti kroma. Ye onyum pa. Ba be ko club ye bo Nigeria nyum 80%.
Yeah.
Enye otan enye hwiu.
Omonyum na de.
Ombe tap in na o ma yade ni yi because ska wo ho. Om diska wura de ni mo ye ni yi. Ya to as ye say music as